Hello students, now we are going to study cell junctions. See here cell junctions diagram. The epithelial cells are connected to each other laterally as well as to the basement membrane by junctional complexes known as cell junctions. They are present in between the cells. Epithelial cells are connected to one another by means of cell junctions. See here, this is a diagram. This diagram shows all cell junctions. Types of cell junctions. Next. Number 1. Tight junctions. It is known as TJS. These junctions maintain cell polarity, prevent the lateral diffusion of proteins and ions. Second, hemidesmosomes. HDS. This is the diagram of hemidesmosomes. Allow the cells to strongly adhere to the underlying basement membrane. These maintain tissue homeostasis by signaling. Third one, gap junctions. GJS. See here diagram. This intercellular connection allows passage of ions and small molecules between cells as well as exchange of chemical messengers between cells. Fourth, desmosomes, DS. This is the diagram of desmosomes. These provide mechanical strength to epithelial tissue, cardiac muscles and meninges. They provide the mechanical strength to the muscular tissue, epithelial tissue and meninges. These are the cell junctions. Remember. Adherence, part 5. Adherent junctions. AJS. This is the diagram of adherence junctions. It is involved in various signaling pathways and transitional regulations. Remember adherent junctions. Second, connective tissue. This is the second type of tissue, connective tissue, which connect the organs, which connect the body parts. Hence the name connective tissue. It is mostly widely spread tissue in the body. It binds, it supports, provides strength to other body tissues and organs. It actually gives support. It binds and provides the strength. It consists of number of cells, variety of cells are there in this tissue, and also it is made up of fibers, white fibers and yellow fibers. They are embedded in the abundant intercellular substance called as matrix, ground substance. Connective tissue protect the vital organs of the body. It is highly vascular tissue except cartilage. It acts as a packing material and also helps in healing of the process. Classification. On the basis of matrix present, they are classified into connective tissue proper, supporting connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Number 1, connective tissue classified. That is loose connective tissue, in them areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue. Second, B, dense connective tissue. Example, ligament and tendon. See here, second B, supporting connective tissue, cartilage and bone. Fluid connective tissue consists blood and lymph. See here, connective tissue proper. It consists loose connective tissue. Matrix in them semi-solid, jelly-like, viscous matter made up of gelatin. In them number 1, areolar connective tissue. This is the diagram of areolar connective tissue location. It is found under the skin, between the muscles, bones around the organs, blood vessels, and peritoneum. Areolar connective tissue found under the skin. Structure. Matrix contains two types of fibers, white fibers and yellow fibers. See here in the diagram. White fibers are arranged in bundles. They are collagen fibers. They are made up of collagen. And yellow fibers are elastic fibers. They give elasticity. Also, in the matrix, there are different kinds of cells. Matrix contains cells. See here, fibroblast, secrete fibers, mast cell, secrete heparin and histamine, macrophages. They are big eaters, phagocytic in function. Adipocytes, that is fat cell, storage of fat. So that these cells perform the different functions. In the areolar connective tissue, they are present in the matrix. They acts as a packing material. Next, adipose tissue. Adipose means fat. See your diagram. These shows adipocytes, that is fat cells. See here in the diagram. Fat cells are there, adipocytes are there. These cells are round and polygonal in shape. Nucleus towards the periphery. Why? Because fats are stored in the center of the cell, stored in the cell at the center, and they are formed in the form of droplets. Matrix is less and fibers. Blood vessels are few in number. This is the adipose tissue. Functions as storage of fat. Here in the diagram, fat cells are there. Types of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue, white adipose tissue and second brown adipose tissue. White adipose tissue appears opaque due to presence of large number of adipocytes. It is commonly found in adults. Second, brown adipose tissue. It is reddish brown in color. Presence of large number of blood vessels. Adipose tissue functions as follows. Number 1, it acts as a good insulator. Second, it acts as a shock absorber. Third one, it is the good source of energy because of storage of fat. They functions as storage of fat. This is about the adipose tissue, and they are found in sole and palm region as well as around the organs like kidneys. Then B, dense connective tissue. This is the diagram. Dense regular connective tissue shows a collagen fibers are arranged in parallel manner. In them, number 1, tendons. Tendons connect the skeletal muscles to the bones to give the tensile strength to the tissues. Tendons contain bundles of white fibers. Example, Achilles tendon, hamstring tendon. Ligaments are made up of elastic or yellow fibers. They are arranged in regular pattern. These fibers make ligaments elastic. They are present in between the joints They prevent the dislocation of bones because they connect the bones. Connect the bones. Remember tendons and ligaments. Tendons contain bundles of white fibers and ligament contains yellow fibers. See here next, dense irregular connective tissue. They contains fibers and fibroblast not arranged in orderly manner. Fibers and fibroblasts are not arranged in orderly manner. This tissue is found in dermis of skin. Next, see supporting connective tissue. This is the diagram of supporting connective tissue. It is characterized by presence of hard matrix. It is classified into two types of cartilage and bones. Number one, cartilage. There are four types of cartilage. Number one, hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, calcified cartilage. See here, number one, hyaline cartilage. Glass-like it is. Matrix is glass-like. In this type of cartilage, perichondrium is present. Matrix is bluish white and gel-like. See here, matrix is known as chondrine matrix. The cells chondroblast which are immature, they are present in the matrix, and chondrocytes are scattered, they are present in the matrix also. They are enclosed within the lacunae. Lacunae are the fluid-filled spaces which encloses the chondrocytes. There are 2 to 8 in number in the lacunae. See here in the diagram, outermost layer perichondrium, then see here matrix which contain lacunae, and lacunae contains chondrocytes. Second, elastic cartilage. In elastic cartilage, perichondrium is present. Matrix contain elastic fibers. Chondrocytes are few in number. It gives support and maintain the shape of the body parts. That is, it contains, see here in the diagram, perichondrium, outermost layer. It contains matrix, which contains fluid-filled spaces known as lacunae. Lacunae contains chondrocytes and elastic fibers. It is found in earlobes, tip of nose, etc. Fibrocartilage, third one. Perichondrium is here absent in the fibrocartilage. Matrix contains a bundle of collagen fibers, that is white fibers. They contain few chondrocytes and also fibers. Fibrocartilage is most rigid cartilage. It maintains the position of the vertebrae. In vertebral, intervertebral discs are made up of fibrocartilage. It is also found at pubic symphysis. See here in the diagram, see here the matrix contains lacunae which contain chondroblast, white fibers. Calcified cartilage, 4. See here, calcified cartilage. This type of cartilage becomes rigid due to deposition of salts in the matrix. This reduces flexibility of joints in old age. Example, head of long bones. They are present in the head of long bones. Calcified cartilage. Then second, bone. Do you know very well bone is characterized by hard matrix called as ossein. Ossein is made up of mineral salt hydroxyapatite. See a diagram of the structure of bone. outermost covering layer is tough one. It is known as peritoneum, which encloses a matrix. Matrix is arranged in the form of concentric layers known as lamellae. Each lamella contains a fluid-filled spaces known as lacunae. Lacunae contains a bone cells known as osteocytes. The mammalian bone shows peculiar Haversian system, which shows central canal known as Haversian canal. Around the Haversian canal, presence of a concentric layers of lamellae. Lamellae contains lacunae, and lacunae contains osteocytes. See here in the diagram, there are two types of bones, spongy bones and compact bones. In spongy bones, Haversian system is absent, and in compact bones, Haversian system is present. The bone perform different kinds of functions here. It gives support to the body, it gives proper shape to the body, it also protects the delicate organs like heart and lungs, it acts as a hemopoietic organ, it gives place for attachment of muscles. Different kinds of functions performed by bones, remember.